Markets breaking down, crude exploding. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Buzz Update for Monday, March the 9th, and quite the overnight session. As at one point, the Nasdaq was down almost 700. The S&P was down over 150. Now they have recovered and have cut those losses by half. In fact, crude oil at one time was almost 120, and that's come back down to 102. But we are seeing the signs of a major blow-off to the downside in the equities and a major blow-off to the upside in crude. Obviously, these panic moves get crazy, and we would be looking to take the other side of most of these moves. Now, as we talked about all last week, we felt the markets were breaking down. We were sellers of rallies. Well, now we are certainly sellers of rally because they have now definitely broken down through support and would look to be a seller on some reasonable rally. And just to use for an example, 67.50 in the S&P trading at 66.70 right now. So it's a substantial rally. We're not looking for a $5 rally to sell into. We would be looking for a rally to sell pretty much across the board. You just have to find the level that you're comfortable with and make sure that you realize and understand the risks that you take. In the meantime, as I said, the markets are down across the board, but well off their lows. The dollar is pushing towards that par mark, which will be a seller at. The volatility of the VIX index is over 30, which is a little bit high. Will probably fall back a little bit. The euro currency is lower. We are short. Bonds and notes are both lower. We are short. Bitcoin is lower. We're flat. We were long and got out last week. Gold, silver, and platinum are lower. We have no position. Copper is lower, and again, that $6 level did fail as we expected it would. The grain markets are higher across the board. We are long. We're still waiting for an opportunity to enter the cattle and hog markets and to the short side, however, have not done anything yet. Nat gas is higher. It is now profitable for us. And of course, crude oil is up about $10, but coming up well off those highs. Obviously, that was a very much of a panic move that we saw. Just be careful. We're looking to sell rallies. Remember our brand new product, Gap Hunter. Awesome product. We've got some other new things coming out this week. And of course, our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, and our high school program. Have a great day, everybody. Be careful, understand your risk, and be ready to go. Bubba's Daily Update for Monday.